How to fix Snapchat device ban in your phone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your Snapchat device ban. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Snapchat and you have to click on your profile and click on this gear icon and go into your settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and you have to log out from your account and you just have to click on the logout. Now what you have to do is simply go in this option of the use another account and you have to again log in into your account. Now you just have to verify your identity to again log in, and after that if you are still not able to log in you have to go into your phone settings and go in the general and click on the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings and you have to click on the Snapchat, and here is the option of the offload app. You just have to click on it, and in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Snapchat application. So once you offload or clear the cache you have to again go back and go into your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go in the search and simply search for your Snapchat application. Now here you have to click on it and you have to make sure that it is updated, and if it is not you have to update it. And if you are still not able to fix the Snapchat device ban you have to reinstall your Snapchat and you are able to fix the Snapchat device ban. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.